In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to add echo to your audio. Echo repeats your voice after a short delay, creating a layered or dramatic sound effect. It's commonly used for cinematic dialogue, music edits, or creative transitions. Let's begin. First, select the audio clip on your timeline. Now go to the effects panel. In the search box, type delay. Under audio effects, you'll find an effect called delay. Drag the delay effect onto your audio clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the delay settings. Adjust the delay time to control how long it takes for the echo to repeat. Increase the feedback value to control how many times the echo repeats. If you want a subtle echo, keep the feedback lower. If you want a dramatic echo, increase it slightly. You can also adjust the mix or level settings depending on how strong you want the echo compared to the original voice. You play the clip and tweak the settings until you get the desired echo effect. That's how you add echo to your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.